Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey Partha. In today's video, let us see how we can install JDK in Windows. So before installing, open command prompt, click on Windows and type cmd and open command prompt. And in this, type Java and click on enter. If it is showing like this, then you can confirm there is no Java in your system. So you can proceed with the installation. Close this, open one browser, web browser, and type JDK download, something like this. And you can see I'm opening Oracle. You can install it in from any website, but I'll prefer Oracle. So click on this. It will redirect you to Java downloads page. If it is not redirecting, you have to go to Java downloads page. And if you come below, there are two types, JDK 21 and JDK 25. Previously, we used to use JDK 21, but recently JDK 25 they have released. So go with 25, JDK 25. So here different OSs are there. So you can choose the OS. As my system is Windows, I'm going with Windows. If yours is Mac, for Mac people, there will be 4 types of installers. If you are confused about which version, which one you have to install, just if yours is Intel, your processor is Intel, then go with x64 DMG installer. This will be good. Automatically everything will be done. If you choose this one, then manually you have to do some steps. That's it. But yours, if your processor is Apple M1, M2, M3, whatever it may be, you have to choose any of these two. In these two, choose a RM64 DMG installer. This will actually automate the process. You don't have to manually go to environment variable, set the path. You don't need to do all of that. Just if you click on download, click next, 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 it will be done. But if you choose compressed version, then you have to go with that, setting that environment path, all this. So that is for Mac people. If your processor is Intel, go with this. If your processor is M1 or M2, M3, Apple M1, M2, M3, go with this. As mine is Windows, I'll go to Windows. Windows user, you also choose x64 installer. This will actually automate the process. If you click on download, it will actually download actually. I'll click on this. It is getting downloaded. Meanwhile, it downloaded. This x64 compressed archive actually, if you download this, it will install, but you have to do manual process like setting up environment variables, path you have to set. But here it will do automatically. x64 MSI installer also, sometimes it will set the path, sometimes you have to set the path manually, sometimes automatically it will set. But if you are a beginner, I will prefer x64 installer. Go with this. So this is already downloaded. I'll click on this. Double click on this. See if it is not opening. No, it is opening actually. Yes. Click on S. I clicked twice, right? So it is asking twice. No problem. So it will show something like this. Preparing to install. As I clicked twice, it is showing like this. Just click on OK. You can ignore. In background, I'll close all of this. So I'm doing nothing. Click on next. Path, keep it as it is. Next. It is getting installed. Probably it might take some time based on the network speed you are in. Yeah, successfully installed. Once you see this message, click on close. Done. You don't need to do any of the installation process. To confirm whether it is installed or not, again open command prompt. Here, now type Java. If something comes up like this, then your Java is installed. If you want to see the version as well, type Java -version space -version. If you click on this, your Java's version it will show 2501. If it shows like this, then Java is installed on this. Then you have installed Java in your system. You don't need to do environment variables, nothing. If it is Java 21, you have to do so much things. But now you can simply install it and you can use it. So Java is there. So whatever you type, if anything if you want to speak with your computer, then you can speak by writing some instructions. How you can actually speak with computers, you'll see in the next video. But until then, do what you love and love what you do. Thank you, students. Thank you.